Hello and welcome back to today's Morning Report Chart Appraisals on Thursday the 29th of October with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's look at dollar yen now, and what we've had is an interesting move actually in the last sort of 24 hours, because we had that dollar strengthening off the Fed. That was fine. That sort of created this big green candle. But since then, we've seen a bit of a retracement coming through. That came on the back of better than expected Japanese industrial production numbers. Now, that sort of fairly well neutralizes that sort of that dollar move, that strong dollar move to a certain extent. I think that moreover than that, you're sort of looking sort of relatively positive within this band, because you're sort of trading up trading in the upper halves of this band. So you'd say that near-term corrections are probably a chance to buy on this. And then just looking at the intraday hourly chart, just zooming back a bit, you can see. Let me just get rid of that because that doesn't really do a great deal now. You see this big pivot level at 1960. Now, we've got that pivot level in place, so whilst you're trading above that, I think you're sort of looking relatively positive within the band. And you had that reaction low at 2015, 120.15. And again, that sort of maintains this sort of more positive sort of slant on this chart. So you're sort of looking out for maybe these near-term dips as buying opportunities, really. I think, but again, we're playing very short-term, I think, on this chart, because I think we're going to be still continuing to play this range. We've got the Bank of Japan that's going to be announcing monetary policy tomorrow morning before my next chart appraisal. So the impact of that is going to obviously be fairly strong, because the market is sort of umming and ahhing as to whether the Bank of Japan is going to be easing further. So that could have a significant impact on this chart again. But certainly at the moment, that strong dollar impact has not really been followed through because of these stronger industrial production numbers. So interesting sort of mix of near-term outlook, but you're slightly on a more sort of bullish bias within this, because obviously, again, momentum indicators above 50 on the RSI. MACD line's back towards neutral really, but stochastic still positive, although you have had that crossover. It doesn't seem to be a sort of selling crossover yet, but that it's all fairly just bordering on a bullish bias within this, but not of any sort of real strength. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.